Hi guys, Blanche here. So I'm going to put an eyebrow gel. You have a night party and you don't want to keep on retouching, so you just have to use this eyebrow gel. Stays longer and here, but you just gotta be patient. First, guys, you have to pour in a little amount. Yeah, just like this amount. And okay, let's start. Guys, we're done on this side and on this side. So the tip is like this, so you don't need to sharpen or anything. You just have to shape your eyebrows. So that's it. I'm done. And smudge and then rose water or toner, and then you just have to wipe it out. Yeah, but actually it will stay longer. Yeah, you can have it tomorrow if you want to, and you just have to retouch the next morning. Eyebrows.